guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa in case you are new here, and as you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my washing machine. I do this about every 6 months or so just to get rid of that stagnant smell, mildewy smell that you can kind of get from the water sitting, constantly using it. So we also have hard water, or I have hard water in my house. So I don't know, I just feel like there can get some buildup. It's kind of gross. Your clothes can start to take on that smell. So I like to do this every few months, usually about twice a year, like I said. Okay. So if you guys didn't see my how I clean my dishwasher video, I'll give you a little spoiler alert, but you're going to see some very familiar products that I use to clean my washing machine, and both of which you likely probably already have in your pantry, which I like. You don't have to necessarily go out and buy anything special. I know that they sell products specifically for cleaning your washing machine. I haven't tried those. I'd like to try them and see if there's a difference, but this is what I've been doing. So I use white vinegar, got this from Target, it's just a Target brand, and then of course just some baking soda. So what the baking soda does, it's a natural deodorizer, so it can kind of lift that stagnant smell. So all I do, I'm not super specific on how I do this, so you could measure it out, I guess, if you really wanted to, but I wouldn't even know what to tell you, like what to measure. But I just take the baking soda and I go ahead and sprinkle it all throughout the drum of the washing machine, and I just try to get along the sides and down the center of the drum. So I go ahead and do that, and then I take the white vinegar, the plain white vinegar, and I pour about 2 cups or so into the drum. It's gonna fizzle up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Another optional step that you can do is pour some essential oil drops into the washing machine as well. I keep wanting to say dishwasher. You can pour some essential oil drops. I'm not going to do that. Essential oils, unfortunately, kind of irritate my skin. I love how they smell, but I don't know, I don't like when they come in contact with my skin. Anyway, I'm rambling. So after that, what you're going to do is just I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer to me. You're going to close the lid, and you're just going to run it on the heaviest, hottest setting. So this will all vary depending on what type of washing machine you have, but I have a soil level option and a wash temp option. So I'm going to do it on the heavy soil level and the hottest temperature and the heavy duty setting. So that'll run for about an hour or so. After that, I'm going to take a rag and wipe down all of the gunk on the drum, and that'll be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you already do this, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any other tips, please let me know as well. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!